Embrace culinary creativity with the Food Fusion Challenge. Introduction. Food is more than just sustenance. It's a cultural expression, a creative outlet, and a gateway to diverse flavors from around the world. While traditional dishes hold a special place in our hearts, there's something uniquely exciting about experimenting with, exploring the concept of food fusion. Food fusion isn't a new concept. Throughout history, cultures have interacted, traded, and shared their culinary traditions, resulting in delicious hybrids that reflect the interconnectedness of our world. From the spicy, sweet flavors of Thai-Mexican fusion to the comforting embrace of Japanese, getting started. Embarking on the Food Fusion Challenge is a journey of creativity and experimentation. Start by exploring your favorite cuisines and identifying flavor profiles, ingredients, and cooking methods that complement each other. Consider how you can merge these elements to create harmonious yet unexpected combinations. 2. Balance is key. Strive for balance in your fusion creations. Aim to harmonize the flavors, textures, and colors to create a well-rounded dish. 3. Embrace creativity. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Some of the most memorable fusion dishes come from unexpected combinations. 4. Presentation matters. Food is not only a BO. Examples of food fusion. Sushi burritos. A fusion of Japanese sushi and Mexican burritos, combining the freshness of raw fish with the convenience of a handheld wrap. Kimchi tacos. Korean kimchi meets Mexican tacos, offering a spicy, tangy twist on a beloved classic. Naan pizza. Indian naan bread serves as the base for pizza,